I see the logo as a graphic representation of what the brand stands for. I remember when I first saw the logo, it felt like a perfect match with what the new vision or refreshed vision for Nikkolo style and handwriting is. The logo itself, it's derived from classic serif typefaces, but at the same time its confident and sort of very clean overall look is balanced with more softer and feminine and rounded and playful details. Altogether, I feel like that the logo feels timeless and relaxed at the same time. I think that the genius part of the logo is the tilted O at the very end. A circle can mean so many different things, but for us it most of all means femininity, roundedness, but also inclusiveness. These are the things that are all part of the value system of the Nikkolo brand. Simple as this tilted O at the very end of the logo is a great element for any designer to play with. What caught my eye since the beginning when I saw the logo is that we could create both prints and artworks that are simultaneously timeless but also compelling. And what makes it even more special or stronger for us in my eyes is that it's also so deeply connected with the values of the Nikkolo brand.
After looking for references and inspiration pictures, usually I kind of sketch rough elements from the print or also composition ideas. But obviously for this season it was more about the layout of the print because I was working with the logo. And usually after setting different variation of the print, I actually put the design on a 3D rendering, so we are able to see the print on an actual garment, and we can see the scale of the print, so it's a very valuable tool. After putting on 3D, then we can it's kind of act as a first prototype, and then we can move actually to the physical sample. This season we are going to reveal all over print using our logo as a polka dot, using actually the outline and the full line logo to kind of create depth, and it's going to be on a very nice viscose satin. We added actually an overlay twill trompe-l'œil to the print for a textured effect. We kind of used a pretty serene landscape print and we mixed it with our logo, and we kind of twisted actually the print for kind of a fun iteration of the typical graphic t-shirt. And basically this t-shirt portrays the work-life balance of the Nikkolo woman. So we really wanted to kind of show you can gather your thoughts, take a breath, go for a walk, this type of lifestyle. Twill overlay, it was added to the print for cohesion actually with the collection for the checked fabric, and also obviously the twill in the collection. And we kind of placed also on the side for a little fun aspect. We went for an artwork using our logo to create kind of a refined and classical print for those scarves. It was kind of a reference to those chain print for the scarves. We had two iterations of the design, coming with several print. One was a little more dynamic and fresh as a version of it, while the other one, using symmetry, was actually more grounded into this idea of a legacy heritage print.